Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to, let's just do a little bit of Christmas prep. I'm going to show you my new Christmas tree, and I did this on Halloween night. I couldn't resist. I just wanted to get the tree up, and clearly I have bad lighting, so I probably won't be recording any more videos at nighttime, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it up, get it fluffed. And I'm also going to show you some of the items that I picked up for the holidays this year. I'm really not spending a lot of money. I'm not trying to add a lot. I actually already have a lot, but I just figured let's go ahead and get started with decorating for the season by at least putting up my first Christmas tree. If you watched my Home Depot shop with me, this was the tree that I was leaning towards getting, and this is the tree that I fell in love with. So I did go and get this tree. I didn't want to wait to see if it went on sale because I've shopped Home Depot trees before, and honestly, they don't go on sale until Black Friday, and I couldn't wait that long. So I love this tree. It is the perfect size and stature for this space. It's not too large. It doesn't overcome anything, and I just love how it's so slim, but it's not a pencil tree. And I'm just showing you how I fluff it out. Now, honestly, I don't fluff nearly as much as I should. I get lazy and I get tired. I know that about myself, but I love the look of this tree. And then when we move into a larger house, then this will go in our bedroom because I just love how compact it is. Now, here it is during the daytime, a little bit more fluffed, and I'm just in love with it. I've been turning on the lights every single night, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of the details. So it does have those typical faux branches on the inside, and then it has more of the realistic touch on the outside. Here I'm just showing you some of the different modes and features of the lighting. I prefer just the simple clear lights, especially with an LED tree. If it was incandescent lighting, which they don't normally make anymore, not often anyways, then I would love the multicolor. But I also wanted to show a few things that I picked up from Target. So I got this wreath. This is from Threshold. And honestly, I have been really loving the cypress stems lately, and so I got this wreath as well as some of these stems from Hearth and Hand, and I really did want to get a cypress garland. I just can't justify spending the money on the garland though, because I spent the money on the tree, so I'll be using my Norfolk pine garland that I already have, but I really did want cypress garland. But I'm just showing you the different stems, and this one is very large. I will have everything linked below, but I wanted to show you the difference in the sizes. So this actually comes in 3 sizes, and I have 2 of them. And then I figured I'd show you how I'm going to go ahead and use them. I already knew when I saw them that this is how I wanted them in this, also from Hearth and Hand, little vase here. Now this vase comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller of the 2. And I started off with just using 3, but then I ended up adding a 4th one. I took all of the stems out and changed how I had them folded so that I could actually use all 4, and I love how it turned out. So I just wanted to show you all of that. And then, by the way, since I've just been talking, my name is Aria. If you're new here, my name is Aria. I love home decorating and seasonal decor. I am a blogger, and I decided to start a YouTube channel this year. So this is my first Christmas season decorating with you on YouTube, which is way different from just decorating and then taking pictures and writing about it on my blog. But it's a challenge that I've enjoyed undertaking. So I would love it if you like this video and subscribe. And I hope that you stick around because I have so much more to share with you. just picked up this bell from Kirkland's, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here or not, but I thought this would be a nice option to see how I like it. Now, I also figured, let me show you what else I picked up. So I got this ceramic tree from Target. It is from the Wonder Shop. My Wonder Shops are very, very unstocked. So I'm hoping that soon they become stocked because there's hardly anything in there. But then I did see this deer candle holder that I just thought was too cute to just leave behind. Wasn't sure if I was going to really use them with candlesticks or not, but I did get these green candlesticks that I shared from my World Market shop with me, and I just love them. So I do plan to use them specifically in the candle holders that are on my mantle, but I might use them here too, or I might get different candles for this particular item, or I might not put any candles in them at all, but this is what he looks like with the candlesticks. Of course, I could not leave this Nutcracker mug in the store. I love it. I love Nutcrackers, by the way, and I barely drink coffee at home anymore, but I will be using this holiday season for sure. And I got these deer from At Home. I was debating on getting the smaller ones that are from Target, and I still might, but these are very affordable options and they are a little bit more larger. So I think I might use these on my mantle as well. I also picked up ribbon. So I got this ribbon from Michaels. I'm not 100% sure what really I want to do. I just know that I want to incorporate more green into my Christmas decor. So a lot of the times when I've been seeing inspiration for using green ribbon, it's been on a flock tree. So I just wanted to put this up here to see if it would stand out at all. We'll see. I have the receipts just in case. And I got more than this, each roll. I got several of them, but just to see. And then I got some more picks because I want to do kind of green and gold. And I already have other gold picks, but I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. And then I also picked up these berries picks. I have several of these from years in past as well, but I plan on using these on my dining room tree this year instead of my main tree. Last but not least, I wanted to show you how I styled these stems, or how you can style them. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like if you just put the stem in by itself. You see it's very, very tall. So bending your stems, don't cut them, bend them. And then you can use them in different ways. And I just wanted to show you what they would look like in both of these vases, which are both from Hearth and Hand. I will have everything linked down below that can be linked. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So I decided that I'm going to use them in the larger vase, and then I will probably use berries in the smaller one. And I might actually group them together just for a layered effect. The last thing that I also wanted to share is that I did get a couple more items from Kirkland's that I also included in my Kirkland's shop with me. So you're going to see that in just a second. So I wanted to share those as well. Again, everything will be linked, but I just wanted to show you what this vase looks like when it's not up against the tree so you can really see. And I took the tags off because I am keeping them. But I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more because Christmas decorating is in full effect. I have so much that I want to share with you. So have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.